Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c:" and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *.* space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space *.* space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now type attrib c:/boot/bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c:/boot/bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.